So our objectives: first, we will illustrate linear inequalities in two variables. Second, we will differentiate linear inequalities from linear equations in two variables. And the third one, we will determine whether an ordered pair is a solution to the given linear inequality. Okay, so let's have first, before we proceed to linear inequalities in two variables, so let's have first an activity. So I have here sets of mathematical statements or sentences. So I want you to group these statements into two columns. So based on your understanding o based on your observation, tingnan mabuti, what do you think are the mathematical sentences which belong to column A and in column B? So alin kaya rito ang mga magkakasama sa A at sa B? So it's up to you. Tingnan mabuti ang mga given. So I'm giving you 1 minute to answer. Alright, so if the time is not enough, you may pause the video, but here's the answer. So para hindi tayo masyadong mahaba ang video, you may pause the video. Okay? So if we're going to group these mathematical sentences into two, so this will be your group A. So sila po ang mga magkakasama, and this belongs to group B. Now, why do you think this sentences belongs o sila yung magkakasama and this one belongs to group B? Sila rin ang magkakasama dito. Why? Okay. So, I know yung iba madali siyang nakita, madaling pansin kasi this is our this topic, etong mga topic na to or linear mathematical sentences were being discussed during the first quarter. So, I know familiar na tayo dito. So, etong mga nauna na ito, these are examples of linear equations. So, bakit sila ang magkakasama? Kasi po, etong lahat ay linear equations. So, dapat magkakasama sila sa isang column. Now, etong apat na to, ano naman ang tawag natin dito? So, if these are linear equations, ano naman ang tawag natin dito sa apat na to? These are what we call linear inequalities. So, magsisimula na po tayo sa linear inequalities this second quarter. So, this is the difference between linear equation and linear inequality. Okay? Ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba? Obviously, pag linear equations, they all have the equal symbol. Okay? Unlike the linear inequalities, paano ba natin malalaman na linear inequality sila? Okay. So, isa-isahin natin. Linear equations, madali siyang makikita na linear equations compared to linear inequalities. Ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba nila? Kapag linear equations, eto kagad ang makikita mo. So, they all have the equal sign. So, kapag may nakita kang equal sign, automatic, that is a linear equation. Okay? Unlike the linear inequalities, ito po ang makikita natin. So, ano nga ba ang tawag natin sa mga ito? What do you call these symbols? So, in linear inequalities, we are using less than, we are using greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. So, itong apat na symbols na to ang makikita po natin throughout the discussion of linear inequalities. Okay? Linear equations, if you are using equal sign. Linear inequalities, if you are using these symbols. Okay. So, let's tackle more about linear inequalities in two variables. A linear inequality in two variables is an equation that can be written in one of the four forms. So, meron siyang apat na symbols o apat na equation na pwede mong isulat into four forms.
Introducing Grammarly, like you've never seen before, your all-in-one writing essential. This